Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back on the road after really long, and today I am taking you on a very interesting store tour. Basically, I am visiting a home and furniture store located in Noida. They sell some very amazing and beautiful designs, so I'm going to show you everything, share all the details, so stay tuned. So here you go. Today we are at Wooden Street, which is one of the biggest furniture brands in India, and they sell some very beautiful contemporary and traditional furniture designs, and I'm very excited to explore. So let's go ahead and have some fun. Inspired by top trends, their product range caters elegant and stylish options for furniture, home furnishing, and home decor accessories. Wooden Street offers furnitures and products for all sort of decor styles, whether you like contemporary or you like traditional or you like amalgamation of both. Wooden Street has established experience centers in more than 25 plus locations. You can visit the experience center, experience all the products and services, see the furniture for yourself, and then you can pick a piece for yourself. Now let's talk to someone from the store, from the Wooden Street store, who will explain us everything in detail. Hi guys, we are at Wooden Street, Noida, sector 104, and we are with Arohi, who is the store manager for this store, and she's going to help us understand all about the brand and product. I'm going to ask her some very simple questions which we normally have while purchasing furniture, either online or during any store visit. So Arohi, my first question to you is, what is the Wooden Street brand all about? What kind of products you guys are selling? How this name Wooden Street originated?
Okay, so Wooden Street Furniture Bonded with Love was originated in the year of 2015.
Okay.
And the name why we have kept Wooden Street is because of our primary focus is on solid wood, that is Shisham wood.
Okay, Arohi, so I've been looking for a few bed options. Can you tell us what kind of beds you offer? Like, I like this one, so can you tell us what is the pricing in between?
Okay, so in this bed, this is the Vulcan side storage bed. In this we have used Shisham wood. We have a side storage with this. You can have a look on the storage part. This is a trolley storage which can be pulled out so that you get a ground clearance for the same. We have storage on this headboard part also.
Okay. And what kind of material have you used for tufting this?
This is the cotton.
Okay.
Cotton, Irish cream fabric in cotton.
Okay. And do you guys provide mattress also if I want to purchase it?
We do have mattresses available on our website, but with bed it is not included. Okay. You have to buy mattress separately.
Okay, so if I have to buy this bed, then I have to come to your store only, or you sell online as well?
We have our own website. You can check the quality of the wood here and finish of the product at our store. But if you want to have shortlist the design from our website, you can do that also.
Okay, where all do you guys have your experience stores?
We have our experience stores in 35 plus cities.
Okay. Okay, Arohi, can you tell us about this bar cabinet? What kind of wood has been used? What is the costing? And can you also just open it and show us?
Yes. So the wood which we are using in our bar cabinet is the Shisham wood, and the price of this particular bar cabinet will be like 31,799.
Okay.
And we have two finishes available in this. One is honey finish, which is shown is this is honey finish.
Okay, this is
yes.
honey finish.
Yes.
And what is the difference between the two finishing? This one is lighter?
Honey finish is the lighter version of the furnitures, and walnut finish is the darker version.
Okay, okay. So if I have to purchase this bar online, I can choose between the two finishing?
Yes, in all the products we have two finishes available. One is honey finish and one is walnut finish.
Okay, great. Okay, so now we are in the dining table segment, and I really liked this one. This is a 6-seater dining table. Arohi, can you tell us again about the wood and costing?
Okay, so the wood which we are using on this particular dining table is Shisham wood, and the costing of this 6-seater dining table will be like 46,399 rupees. And the best part is this dining table is we are providing you the cutlery storage on two on both sides.
Okay.
One is two on both sides, and the best part is if you want to replace 2 chairs with a bench, we can do that also.
Okay. So what I can see here, you have used 2 type of chairs. So if I want one style of chair only, is it possible?
Yes, if you want to change like if you want to have a 4 dining chairs with this particular table, and you want to change 2 dining chairs with other options, we can do that also. Like you can see this dining chair is a very nice chair. It is with the fabric.
Okay, Arohi, can you tell us about this dining table? I really liked it. What is this wood, and can you tell us the costing as well?
So this is the Shisham wood product. It is a design for the compact area. So the price of this dining table is like about 33,799.
So before moving on to another segment, I am going to show you one more dining table. I really like the elegant and minimalistic look of this one. So Arohi, please tell us about this one.
So this is a compact 4-seater dining table set. So this is available in marble top, and the legs of this table is Shisham wood. And the chair which we have used here is the same. The fabric of the chair is velvet.
Okay. So if I have to choose different color for the chairs, I can go for another color or fabric?
Yes, you can change the color of the fabric.
And what is
the
the...
solution which we can provide.
Okay. And what is the costing for this one?
So the cost of this particular table is 74,799.
Okay, great. Arohi, what kind of options do you have when it comes to home decor and furnishing?
So I can show you the options which we have with the home decor. Like these are the different types of mirrors which we provide. These are the wall panels which we have. So these are the various types of wall clocks which are available on our website. You can check our website for the different varieties of the wall clocks. And the price starting range would be like 2,000 rupees. And we have this beautiful Jaroka available on our website. This is priced like 7,000 rupees, and it also has 2 different colors available.
I can see some hand tufted and shaggy carpets as well here. So Arohi, can you tell us about these?
So we have different types of carpets available with us. These are the shaggy carpets, and these are the hand tufted carpets. So the price range of carpets would be like, starting price range would be like 5,000 rupees.
Okay, I often get questions about lounge chair and ottoman options. So I found a beautiful set right here. Arohi will tell us about the costing and customization options.
So the costing of this lounge chairs is like 20,499, and you can go for the ottoman separately, and ottoman will cost you around 5,949 rupees. And if we have different varieties of fabric available with this. If you want to go for a plain fabric, you can do that also. If you want to go for a velvet, you can do that also.
Their exclusive range of products include varied designs, which includes items like sofas, chairs, bed tables, side tables, bars, temples, dining tables, wardrobes. The list just goes on and on. As you can see for yourself, Wooden Street offers a lot of designs when it comes to sofas and couches. You can have multiple design options. Whenever you are selecting a couch for your living room, they offer contemporary designs, modern designs, sometimes amalgamation of both. So you can choose any design according to your decor aesthetics. a few questions about this one. What kind of wood has been used in this chair, and what is the cost for this particular?
So the wood which we have used in this chair is mango wood, and the costing of this particular chair is 26,649 rupees.
Okay. Do you have any warranty as well on such products?
Yes, we provide a 1-year warranty with each and every product.
Okay. So moving on, can you also tell us the costing for this sofa?
Okay, this is Henry L-shaped sofa, and the costing of this particular sofa is 74,799.
Okay, can we get customized size as well? Like what kind of customization is possible in this one?
In this sofa set, you can customize the fabric and alignment. In this, as you can see, the alignment is on left hand side. If you want, you can change the alignment of the sofa from right to left or vice versa.
I found this set of gorgeous nested tables. Arohi, can you explain us a little bit about this one?
So this is a pair of 2 tables which we have. So the top is used glass top, and the side is for the metal polish we have done, and this table can go inside properly.
Okay, so the smaller table can fit inside the bigger one.
Yes.
Okay, so this is a very compact piece. If you have less space and you want to have option of nested table, you can go for this one. And what is the price for this one?
The price for this table would be like 23,599.
Amazing. If you have been looking for a crate style center table, which are very much in trend these days, I found one here as well. Arohi will tell us a little bit about this one.
So the table this particular table is in Shisham wood, and this is also available in 2 finishes. One is honey finish and one is walnut finish, and the price of this table would be like 14,349 rupees.
Okay, I can see some storage option here as well. Arohi, can you show us a little bit about the storage option here?
Yes, sure. So this is the storage space which can be used.
Okay, wow, this is quite deep, and I think this is a sort of a tray. We can use this as a tray, the upper one.
Yes.
Okay. If you have been looking for some functional pieces of furniture for your home, then Wooden Street is your go-to place. Like, I really like this sofa cum bed, which can be easily converted into a bed whenever you are having some extra guest, and it can be easily converted back into a sofa when not in use. This looks very elegant. The design at the back is very interesting, and this is very easy to assemble as well. Now we are in the study table section, as work tables are part of our homes now. So I found this really beautiful study table. Arohi, can you explain us a little bit about this one?
So this table is designed in such a way that it has a storage on two drawer storage and one in the down. So this particular table will cost you around 17,000.
Okay. And what is the wood which has been used here?
So the wood here is Shisham wood.
And it comes with a chair as well, or I have to purchase a chair separately?
No, you have to purchase the chair separately.
Okay, moving on, we have a few other options in the study table section. I like this one as well. Arohi, can you tell us about this one? I like the drawers a lot in the upper section.
So this is moreover a study table cum shelf.
Okay.
So it has a more storage space. As you can see, we have 3 drawers at the upper section. We have this drawer section which can be movable. It has a wheels inside it, and it can be placed underneath this, or you can place it in the other section as well.
Okay, so this drawer comes with the table itself?
Yes, it is a complete set.
Okay. So this is a very good option if you have been looking for a compact storage in your workspace. Can you tell us the costing for this one?
So the costing of this particular table is 28,699.
Wow, that's amazing.
So this table we have designed in particle board, engineering wood. So this has a storage space this has a shelf And the finish of this table is exotic teak finish.
And what is the costing for this one?
Costing for this particular table is 11,989 rupees.
Okay, so can I purchase product from you on EMIs as well? Is there an option?
Yes, we do have EMI. We have options of EMI facilities for the no cost EMI for 3 months.
Okay, okay. One more question, Arohi. What is the usual delivery timeline? For example, if I place my order today, how long will it take to reach my place?
So as we are the in-house manufacturers of the product, most of the products are made to order. So the delivery time for the standard products are like 5 to 7 weeks. But we do have our options for the rush deliveries as well. So if the product is readily available in our stock, we do have the option for early delivery. That would be like 2 to 3 weeks.
Okay, so while placing my order, I can choose the delivery options, like if I want a rush delivery or a normal delivery option.
So for the rush delivery options, you have to contact us. We will tell you whether the stock is available or not.
Okay.
So if it is available, we will provide you the delivery early.
And what kind of after sales service do you guys provide?
So after sales service, as soon as you place the order, we assign you one account manager. So he is the concerned person who will be taking care of all the order related issues.
Okay. Thank you so much for talking to us, Arohi, for helping us with all the queries, and I highly recommend visiting this Noida store. Everyone here is very helpful, and please do visit whenever you get time. So that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this wooden street store tour. You got to know about a new brand, and you will have some more options while buying furniture or any other product from your home. And if you like this video, please do give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel if you have not done it already, and do leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching Metro Mom.